to my channel. Happy holidays. This is the day after Christmas, so if you know, you know. If you don't, then please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Especially like and leave some comments. So this is a Shein haul. First on the list, some rubber bands. I've been looking for some rubber bands for the longest, and I think this is like 500 pieces if I'm not mistaken. I used a discount code, so I got it for 93 cents. So next on the list is what's this? What is this? I honestly don't know what this is. Oh, the foundation. It's a foundation, the Shein Glam foundation. I think they had it on sale. And okay, this was hydrating. Yeah, this one is $6.52. Let me try to hurry and do this. I don't want it to be a long one. This is some bobby pins. Yeah, some. Oh, these are small ones. I thought it was the big ones. Dang, I should have got this from Dollar Tree. I thought it was a big one. Dang. Alright, and this is a charger. I ordered a few chargers for me and Kimani because we go through iPhone chargers like it's nothing. I don't know. Wait, I think I ordered 2 iPhone and 2 Android because I saw I'm using my my Galaxy. This one is a concealer. Shein Glam. Oh, nothing about the Kimani back there. This one is a concealer. The concealer was $3.72. It was $4. It's $3.72. And oh, I got the Gemini earring because you know Geminis, we the best. Period. I don't care what nobody say, we're the best signs. I'm talking about we bipolar and crazy. Oh no, they said we two-faced, bipolar and crazy. Whatever. Anyways, we the best, and that's just that. Period. Okay. Oh, I got the this. Oh wait, I want to do the little stuff first. Ooh, I got the. Being one of these brushes. This is a detangler brush. Detangler brush that I got for. Where is it? Where is it? Oh yeah, it's $1.86. It was $2. $1.86. See? How the combers. I'm washing my hair. I'm T Natural over here, and I got a ring. Take it out, show y'all. It's a initial ring because my name is Annie K, so I got a initial A. My hand look ashy. Oh Lord, hold on. I don't even know my hair looks so ashy. Oh child, let's put some coconut oil on that. Get me on camera looking like that, girl. I just washed my hands, that's why. I forgot to grease it up. But anyway, back to the video. So yeah, it's my initial ring. I'm gonna put it on this finger. I don't think it could fit on this finger, can it? Oh, it can. Right. Next order. Ooh, I got it's an edge brush, and I think it's 2-in-1. It's 2-in-1. My hair is freaking fluffy. Oh yeah, my ring was 93 cents. Well, it was $1.93. Now this is a 3-in-1 eyebrow brush, and you could. I read the reviews that somebody said they use it for the edge thing, whatever, for your edges. So I'm gonna do that too. But that's how it is. Okay. Listen, when you order from Shein, you gotta order a lot of stuff because oh man, I hope it goes. Let me fix this up. But this is a wall thingy. It's at Hello Gorgeous. So I'm gonna put this over my mirror above my mirror, so you know when I look in there, I remind myself how gorgeous I am. You know, I love that new Mary J. Blige song. Good morning, gorgeous. Yeah, that's my song. But yeah, that sticker thing. How much was it again? Let me see. Which one? I'm not sure. Don't do that. Oh, $2 was $1.86. Okay. All right. Next. Oh, this one is a makeup bag. That's how small it is. I thought this shit was big. Dang. So I got my makeup bag and I got my makeup in an H&M bag. Y'all saw that when I was doing my video. Did y'all? This bag is mad little. I know you're lying. What y'all? I didn't know that's how small the bag was. That shit is small. I thought it was like a big makeup bag. So cute. I just like the design, the pattern and stuff. But I didn't know it was this small. Like damn. I could have just kept it in the H&M bag. Small ass bag. But that bag was $2, $1.86. So, like I said, I went on Google and I got a discount code. So yeah, the iPhone charger. Took me 2 iPhone chargers, so I ordered two. Oh, this is my initial chain. Yes. It's short, dang. There it is. So I'm about to put it on. Yeah. I had one. I think I lost it. Come on, click. Okay. Alright, this is Beauty the Blenders. There's 2 of them. It was $1. I get it for 93 cents. I low-key didn't know. I didn't know that when you're shopping, you could go on Google and type in whatever site you're on and look for a discount code. I did not know that. But now that I do, I'm using it up. So I think how much? I think I got $10 off for this order. For discount code. It was needed. Okay. So you know me. Alright, this is some gloves. Even though winter don't look like it's coming. But I still want to be prepared. So I got some gloves. Ooh, it's thick. Oh yes. Ooh, it's very thick. It looked thin, but it's thick. Let me try it on. See how it's gonna look. Wait, which one is the right hand? This one. Oh yeah. Ooh. It's cute. I like this little thing right here. You know. Oh 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 oh. All the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the single ladies. Come on, they're not laughing at me. Come on, he's back there doing his own thing. But yeah, this one says, oh, this one's another sticker thing. So why they couldn't put this one like that? Why didn't you put this one like that? Or did they? Because it's kind of like it. Because look how, see? Like this one is bent up and everything. Sure. But this one says, give it to God and go to sleep. So I'm going to put it over my bed right there. Over my head, you know. I'm going to put it right there. Alright, what else? I think I got it from the same price as the other one. Alright, what about? Oh, it's another iPhone charger. So I bought 2 iPhone chargers and 2 Android because I have the Galaxy Tab. Actually, one of these iPhone chargers for $2 money. Yeah. But what am I looking for? Alright, so let's go to the big orders now. I got the little one I'm not gonna wear. So these are nipple covers. I doubt I'm gonna, I'm dumb. I am gonna use them. I don't know when, but I'm pretty sure the time will come when I'm gonna use these nipple covers. I ain't never used it before. It's crazy because I have some right here that I ain't never use. Where is it? You know the one that you just stick onto your, it's like bra looking thing, and it's very sticky. It sticks to your boobs, but those were too big, and I bought them years ago and I never wore it. I can't find them right now. I think I'll probably put them in my suitcase because I'm not wearing it right now. So anyways, these are nipple covers. Oh dear. How is it? Anyways, I'm putting them back in the bag. I like how cute this little bag is. Nipple covers. The nipple covers were $4.66. I don't even remember how much I paid for it. But I bought a hat. I never really wore tan hats in the winter time, but this hat is so cute. I like this little thing right here. So let me see how it fit me. My head's kind of damped right now too. Oh, I look nice. I look nice. I like this though. This is so cute right here. I just like it. So I should wear this for the rest of the video. Yeah. Okay. Put that so this is a top. Oh Lord, it's see-through. I didn't even know that. Ooh, child. See-through. Ooh, I didn't know it was see-through. It's cute though. And I like it. I like the design and everything. What size do you need by? Medium? Gosh, I'm gonna get one large. I didn't know it was gonna come so small. It's stretchy. But I don't think. Okay. I'm not buying no more some of this. No more money some pound for Shein for this. Let me tell you something, yeah? Sure. I like this top too. This top right here. I bet it's see-through too. So I like this little top. Oh, yeah, it's a good size. Oh, they're both see-through. Okay. Oh yeah. I smell like that. Oh, I don't like how it smells. You gotta wash this thing before you wear it. I do not like how it smells. But yeah, definitely washing this before I wear it. You also need to wash your clothes before you wear it, but let's be honest, not all the time everybody wash your clothes before you wear it. I don't. Not all the time I wash my clothes. But I'm gonna wash these because they smell weird. But yeah, my blouse kinda match my hat. Kinda. I like the hat. It's a hat for me. Let's see. Yo, box under my eyes. Yo. Oh crap. Okay, Afterpay. Make sure I warn this and with them $25 tomorrow. Gosh, I'm not getting no money. Calm down. Another shirt. What's this? Oh, it's a bathing suit. Ew. Oh, I think it was on sale. That's why I bought it. Why looks so big? No, sir. Oh, I'll say this. A large. Why would I get a large? You know, me maga. No, sir. No, sir. I'm going to give my friend them. It's okay. Let's say you can't fit me. Who wanna buy this? Matter of fact, let me see how much I pay for it. Dang. That was a cute baby suit too. I'm the type of person I don't like sending stuff back. I just take my L and go. Sometimes I do. I honestly don't remember the last time I sent something back from like ordering online and send it back. I don't remember the last time I did that. I don't got time to go to the post office. So what time for that? Not me. So, but I didn't know that this a large. A large? Why would I buy a large? Why would I buy a large? I don't want anybody to pick on my thighs. Thick thighs save lives. Not for real. Like seriously, why did I buy a large? This could fit. Oh, it was $8 and I got it for $4.66. Why $8.10? Why the heck did I buy $8.10 in this video suit? Oh gosh, I gotta give it to one of my friends. I don't know. This could not fit me. This is a large. Where's the where's the crush thing that will fill out? I'll put it in here. Put it in the back of my bag. This could not fit me. Ciao. Oh, this is a free thing they gave me. A free, for the purchase that I made, they gave me a free order. This was a free makeup bag. See, $0. But why the makeup bag is so little? Wait, I'm gonna make it for the bag there. Why I'm not make it for the bag? Because oh, $1.86. No wonder. No wonder it's so little. Because I paid. It was something that I had as a gift, and then this is so small. Like, look at this pink inside. Pink inside. It's cute. Different, right? But what gift is this? Yeah, lipstick on something there. That's all I want. Lipstick and I don't even know. Whatever I can fit in there, I'll fit in there. What is this? You know, I don't remember what I ordered. I know what this is. Ooh. Feelings. Yeah, so I got like, what size is this? Why does it look so big? Oh, it's a medium. Alright. Why is it big? Why is it so small? Why are these so... I ordered, I think 3 or 4 shirts. Different colors. So, orange. This is another color. Watch out. Some come off. Oh. Don't it here? Oh. China. Another one right here. Alright, I think I ordered a blue one. Where the bug there? There's another color right here. I gotta be careful because these things be there's another one. Blue is my favorite color. Y'all know this is my color. So can't really see the feelings. But it did it. It did it. Where bug there? Alright, so how many shirts did I order? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 shirts. Okay, I got them. Share them on. I think I need 4. This dress, this famous dress that everybody wearing from Fashion Nova. I got it on. It's long. It's very long. I'm gonna wear this when I go on vacation soon. God's willing. I'm going on vacation soon. Next year, of course. So, oh, what size is this? I bought a, I bought that for, it was $14 and I got it for $9.32. See? Alright, I think I had put it in my cart on Fashion Nova. And I'm like, but Fashion Nova bright and feisty. But $40. I think it was $40. Let me see. What is this name again? Shoot. I think it's my favorite. Let me see. I had it and oh, here it is. Oh, it was $40. It was $40. It was $40 on Fashion Nova when I checked. But now it's on sale for $27.99. It's the same thing. Like, it's the same friggin' dress that I got for less than $10. And Fashion Nova, obviously $40. Anyways. And I think I bought another dress. I really wanted the tubeless one, but they didn't have the, I mean, you know, the one that, you know, go up here. Like this, something like this. I wanted the one like this, but they didn't have it. I just look so big. Hello, what size is this? I don't have time. I'm not sending nothing back. So whatever, I'm gonna wear it just like that. This ain't gonna be tight all the time anyway. This is a size 6. I got it. It was $8. I got it for $4.66. So, what is a size 6? Why it look so big for a size 6, bro? They would never want to feed that dog. That dog be barking in my videos all the damn time. Feed the damn dog, man. Give the dog a bone. Give him a damn bone. I put a little, it's a little, what do you call it again? Coin purse. I just like the design. You know when you're just going outside, I just want to run outside real quick and you're just going to put your phone in there. Your phone could fit in there. Your keys, money, cards, bunch of cards, whatever. I had a Coach one like this. I just took it out the other day to wash it. I've been had that Coach one forever. And it's smaller than this. So I'm like, let me get one of these. But yeah. Alright, so this video is long, dang. I think that's it. I think that's it for my Shein haul. Yeah, I was not about to try nothing on. I didn't feel like trying anything on. I just wanted to show you what I got from Shein, because when I was going to Jamaica the other day, I bought a lot of stuff from Shein and I was not in the mood to do a a video like this. So I'm like, I'm just gonna show y'all this thing I'm gonna order. But yeah, I got all my orders so far. I see everything now. Yep, I got everything. 30 items, so yeah. Alright, so this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and leave some comments. Tell me if y'all ordered from Shein before, if y'all like it. Actually, I love Shein because honestly, I used to shop downtown Brooklyn and they closed the store that I used to usually shop at. So now Shein is my online store to shop at. I never really used to shop online like that before the pandemic. I used to always go downtown Brooklyn to shop. So, and they closed two of the stores. The one called Brooklyn USA and Dr. J's for women. So, and I'm not going all the way to Flatbush or whatever to Dr. J's. So, I just rather just shop online on Shein and just honestly, but I never bought no jeans or anything from Shein. Yeah, I was gonna buy a wig, but I was scared. I'm not gonna lie, because I read the comments and stuff. I was gonna buy a wig from Shein because they say Shein's wigs is good, but I ordered two wigs from AliExpress. They coming in. They said coming in January 19th. Hopefully come before that. And it's natural wigs, so it was 26 inches, and I got them for $40, both of them. One was burgundy and one is black. So when they come, I'll show y'all. So thank you guys for watching once again. My name is Annie K, and please come back to my channel and support me. Thank you. Bye.